What if you could create content without having to sit down and record every single time? Just imagine having a version of you that can speak your ideas, explain things clearly, and keep posting consistently, even when you're not filming anything. This is exactly what AI clones have made possible. And in this video, I'll walk you through the full workflow so you can set this up for yourself using just a photo and a script. Step 1. Generate your AI avatar. Start by going to ElevenLabs and open the image and video section. From there, select NanoBanana 2. Now upload one clear photo of yourself. Before you generate anything, decide where your content is going. If you're creating for platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok, go with the vertical format, that's 9:16. But if you're thinking more about YouTube or longer videos, then go with horizontal, which is 16:9. Set the resolution to 4K so the output looks sharp. Now comes the part that actually makes the biggest difference, the prompt. Instead of a basic prompt, describe exactly how you want to appear on camera. Think about how you're sitting, what your expression looks like, how the lighting should be, and what kind of background you want. I have added the full prompt in the comments so you can copy it. You're basically directing a video shoot just using text instead of a camera. Once you generate, you'll get multiple versions. Take a moment here and pick the one that feels the most natural and closest to you. This becomes your base clone. Step 2. Make the image talk. Upload the image you just created. Then select a lip sync model. Here we're using Veed fabric, which animates your image and makes it speak. Next, go to the speech section and create your audio. Paste your script, choose a voice, and generate it. You can either select a built-in voice from the Explore tab or use your own from My Voices. To clone your voice, go to Voices, click Create Voice, and select Instant Voice Clone. Upload or record a clean audio sample. Let it process, and it will appear under My Voices for you to use. To get a realistic voice clone, upload 15 minutes of audio of your voice. Step 3. Generate the video. Once your speech is ready, apply it to your image using the lip sync model. Generate the video and your image will start speaking your script with realistic lip sync. This is where everything comes together. Your face, your voice, and your message. And this is what the final result looks like. AI is coming for content creators and they do not yet know it. Step 4. Export. When you export, choose the format based on where you're going to post it. Make sure your export settings are set for high quality so the final video looks clean when you upload it. Now it's ready to publish. Before you start using this regularly, there are a few mistakes that can affect your results. The first one is using a low quality photo. If your image isn't clear or properly lit, the final output will feel artificial. The second mistake is rushing the prompt. This part controls how your clone looks on camera, things like lighting, posture, and overall realism. So if it's too basic, the result won't be convincing. And the third is expecting perfect results immediately. In most cases, you'll need to test a few variations before you land on something that looks right. Now, instead of just looking at this as a tool, think about what this changes in your workflow. You don't need to wait until you're ready to record. Set up your camera every time or batch hours of content in one sitting. Instead, you can focus more on ideas. You can test different angles faster, and you can stay consistent without relying on filming every day. It also makes it easier to plan ahead. You can write multiple scripts, generate videos in batches, and schedule them across platforms. Let's say you want to post consistently, but don't always have time to record. Instead of setting up your camera every day, you can sit down once, write multiple scripts, turn them into videos like this, and schedule them in advance. So instead of spending most of your time recording, you're spending more time thinking about better ideas and improving your content. That's where this becomes really useful. The advantage now isn't just consistency, it's how quickly you can turn an idea into something you can publish instantly. If this helped you, hit like so more creators can discover this. Subscribe for more simple AI workflows like this, and comment below what kind of content you'd create using this. I'll see you in the next one.